Hi everyone. Welcome back with this additional in today's newspaper on a Monday, June the 29th, 2020. The fourth puzzle is a Sudoku with 4 stars. And before I start, I want to know how many digits are printed in this puzzle. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 digits are printed. And that's correct because the first one was 27, the second one 26, the third one 25, and this one 24 digits are printed in this 4 stars Sudoku. Let's get started. Alright. Yes. In the last row, we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there. So in the last row, we have a 2 in these 2 boxes. In that row, we have a 2 over there. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this column. 2 in the third column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 2 here or there. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And then I cannot continue with the 2. How about the number 6 in this last row, a 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the middle row, the row between, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 6. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3. No 3 in these 2 boxes. There are 3. No 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. So in this column, we have a 3 in one of these 2 boxes. In that column, we have a 3 over there. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 3 should be there. In the second row, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3. So no 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here, here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row, so in the row above, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And then I cannot continue with the 3. Let me see which number I can use. How about the number? I see something. Up here. Alright, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, so no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 could be here or could be there. So in this row, we have a 9 in one of those two boxes. That means in these three boxes cannot be a 9. We have two boxes left in this big square for the 9. And the 9 and the 2 goes as a pair. Here, 2 and a 9. That means the other three numbers are the 7. We have a 7 there, so no 7 there. Oh, I see here 7. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So, one box left for the 7 should be there. The other two numbers, 4 and the 5. I mark them so it's easier to follow. We have a 5 in this row. So no 5 in these three boxes. One box left for the 5 should be there. Then we have two boxes left in this row. The 1 and the 9 are missing. Yes, the 1 and the 9. Alright. And how about these three numbers? The 7 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 5 is missing. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. How about these three numbers? The 9, the 1, and the 8. 9, 1, 8. No, I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 5 should be here. 8, 8. 2, 2. 7, 1, 3. 5 should be here. I think this one could be a tough one. I think a lot of pairs. Let me mark some boxes. 3 in this column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 3. Here, here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 3 should be there. And I remember the 3, I have marked those dots for the 3. So here 3, or there 3. 5, 3, 3, yes. About 1. Yeah. 6. These two boxes could be a 6. We have a 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So here could be a 6. The same. We have a 6 here, 6 there in this column. So in the last column, we still have a 6 there. So no 6 here, 6 here, 6 there. I need pairs to eliminate some numbers. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column, so the first column. The only 3 places for the 7 here, or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, or could be there. These 3, 7, 7. What are those 3 numbers? The 1, the 4, and the 5. 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, and 8. Eight cannot be 9, 9, 9, 9. Yeah. 1, 5. It cannot be a 5, 5, 5. Ooh. Not easy, not easy, not easy. Four. I'm thinking hard. Thinking hard. 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. Five, 4. Ay. 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 5. How about 8 is missing. 8, 5, 1 is missing. 8, 5, 1 and 7 is missing. No. I need pairs. 9. Wow. 7, 4, 5. Wow, it's a hard one. I need to find the combinations. Alright, so we have here the 3 numbers, the 1, the 4, and the 5. 1 and the 5. That means these 2 are the 6 here. The other 3 numbers are the 8, 9, 8, 9, and the 6. 8, 9, and the 6. 8, 9, and 6. We have an 8 and a 6 here. So this should be a 9. We have here the 8 and the 6 as a pair. Okay. That means 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So the first row, the only two places for the 9, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Now we have a 9 here. So this cannot be a 9. This should be a 1. And this should be a 9. These two numbers, the 2 and the 9, we have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then these two numbers should be a 9. 2, 2, yes. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 2. In this big square, we have a 2 here, so no 2 in these two boxes. There are 2, no 2 in that box. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used, I can see. Yes, alright. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 9 should be there. So 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 3 places for the 9, here, here, or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. So the 9 could be here or could be there. Remember that? 2 boxes left in this column, the 4 and the 5. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between. The only place for the 4 should be here. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 6 and 8. 6 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 6 should be there. 1 number left in this row. Because I know those 3 numbers. This should be a 6. 2 numbers left in this big square. Then 1 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, the 1 goes there. 1 number left in the first row for the number 8. These 3 numbers, the 1, the 4, and the 7. Still cannot fill this yet. 1, 4, 7. How about these 3 numbers? The 1. We have a 1 here, so here 1, there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. Here 5. The 5. Yes. 5 is one of the missing numbers in the middle column. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left. This big square. 7 and the 8. 7 and the 8. No, cannot fill this yet. These 2 numbers, the 1 and the 7. No, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about the number 7 and 8? 5. These two should be the 5. Here. 5. 5. Here gonna be a 5. Here gonna be. Wow. Tough one. I'm thinking. 5, yeah. 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 4, 5. 4, 5. 6, 5, 7. 8, 9. Let me mark some boxes again. These two boxes, 8 and a 7. 8 and a 7. 8 and a 7. 5 in the middle column, 5 in that column. So in this column, these two boxes are the 5. I see here 4, 1, 4, 1. These three boxes, the missing numbers in the third column, the 4, 1, and the 8. 4, 1, and the 8. We see here 4 and a 1, so one box left for one digit left should be the 8. So we have a 4, 1. 4, 1, we have a 4 here, so no 4 here. This should be the 4, and this should be the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Two numbers left, the 1 and the 5. 1 and a 5 as a pair. Here, two numbers left, the 9 and the 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 9 goes there. 9 we have here. I have marked those two boxes with a 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. Those two boxes I've marked with a 3. I have eliminated 1, 3. So this should be the 3. We have a 3 now, so I have marked these two boxes with a 3. So this cannot be a 3. This should be the 3. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Yes. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Yes, 9. That means in the second column, 1 and a 5 are left. 1 and a 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 5. No, cannot fill this yet. 7 and the 5. 7, 5. Oh, here. 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only two places for the 8. Here or there. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. Now we have an 8 here. So this cannot be an 8. This should be the 8, and this should be the 7. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. 7 and the 4 are missing. 7 and the 4 are missing in this row. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 1. 2 numbers left, the 5 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 7. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. Finished in 25 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. Great Sudoku. I finished this within 30 minutes. So, yeah. For really 4-star Sudokus, a hard one, I have more than 30 minutes to solve the puzzle, but I've managed to solve this in 25 minutes. So I'm very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the 5th puzzle in this additional. It will be a binary puzzle, so see you later. Bye bye for now.